The roofs of houses built after last year's super floods at Gothlalgul in the Bello area of Lasbela were blown away after thunderstorms. Dawn. Quetta, 2 people were killed as life in several districts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan was disrupted after heavy rains and thunderstorms caused flooding and infrastructure damage on Monday. In the wake of the worsening situation, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has ordered federal and provincial departments to use all resources to help the citizens. At least 14 Balochistan districts were impacted as heavy rains with thunderstorms continued throughout the day, causing urban flooding and suspension of traffic. In the Prom area of Panjgu, 2 teenagers were crushed under a wall of a house which collapsed following hours of incessant rainfall, according to the Panjgu Deputy Commissioner. 2 teenagers dead in Panjgu, Chagai, Peshawar, Turbat among affected areas. In KP, bouts of rainfall and snow disrupted life and caused flooding in Peshawar, some parts of Hazara division including Musa de Musala, Koimakru and Malkwai Barbat, and Lower Deer. According to officials, flash floods were reported in seasonal streams and rivers in different Balochistan districts, including Chaman, Musak Hale, Kila Abdullah, Kila Saifullah, Pishin, Muslimbar, Hanai, Ketch, Panjgu, Hustar, Kalot, Job, Lasbela, and Chagai. After the Marani Dam near Turbat was filled to full capacity of around 244 feet, the spillways were opened to release excess water and avert a breach. Commissioner Bashir Ahmed Bech said authorities were at the dam monitoring the situation. According to reports, the roofs of at least 6 houses collapsed in Lalgul Goth of Lasbela district, rendering several families homeless. We are shifting homeless families to safe places and providing them with relief goods with the help of Provincial Disaster Management Authority, PDMA, Lasbela Deputy Commissioner Murad Kasi told Dawn. He added that arrangements were being made to provide tents, sheets, drinking water and food items to the affected families. Mr. Kasi said flash floods have damaged the Quetta-Karachi National Highway near the Vyarad Nadi area, suspending all kinds of traffic for several hours. After the water level subsided, the road was opened for light traffic, Mr. Kasi said. The slum areas in Nokundi town of Chagai district were also badly affected as rainwater entered the houses. According to PDMA officials, Ketch, Duki, Barkon, Awaron, Kudzar, Shurab, Zairat, Hanai and Job districts have been receiving continuous rains for the last 48 hours. They said no human or property losses were reported during the recent bout of rainfall. In Hanai and some other areas, standing crops suffered heavy damage due to rains with thunderstorms. Though seasonal rivers and streams were carrying flash floods, the situation was under control and being monitored, PDMA officials said. National Highway Authority, NHA, General Arguin Ayatollah said all national highways in Balochistan were open for traffic. In Bolan, light vehicles are allowed to travel after making alternate arrangements on Pinjra Bridge at Bolan River, he said. The Met Office has predicted more rains and thunderstorms in different districts of Balochistan over the course of the next 2 days. PM orders all hands on deck. Taking notice of the situation, the PM has ordered the National Disaster Management Authority, NDMA, and provincial management authorities to monitor the situation. People in low-lying areas should be shifted to safe places immediately, the PM ordered, while directing the NHA to ensure the functioning of all inter-provincial national highways. Arrangements should be made to keep the Quetta-Karachi and Quetta-CB highways open for traffic. People should be kept alert in affected areas and on the highways, he added. Mr. Sharif also urged people to take precautionary measures in the situation of severe weather and cooperate with government institutions. Syed Irfan Raza in Islamabad also contributed to this report. Published in Dawn, May 2, 2023.